Hello and welcome to Homeyhuts. In this video, we'll see how you can easily create and manage your offline reservations within the Homeyhuts app. The offline reservations are those reservations that do not come through an OTA. They generally come in the form of walk-in guest inquiries, phone inquiries, WhatsApp bookings, repeat customers, or bookings received through your own website. So instead of maintaining these bookings separately, you can add them directly into Homeyhuts so that all your reservations remain organized in one place. So let's see how you can add an offline reservation in just a few simple steps. So once you're logged in into your Homeyhuts account, open your host control center from the menu section. Now navigate to the unified calendar. Then select the property and click on the check-in date for which you want to create the reservation. Tap on to create offline booking. Then you can enter your stay and guest details over here. You can select the check-in check-out date. You can also select a separate check-in and check-out time. So for example, if you have allowed a guest for an early check-in, you can add that over here. Then enter the guest count. Now enter the guest details like name, phone number, and email address. If you can also add your guest GST details over here if it is applicable. Next, fill in your payment details. Once you enter your booking amount, the tax is automatically calculated, and as soon as you add your advance amount, the balance is auto calculated. You can also add your extra charges over here, but please note this is only visible to the host and not to the guest. Next, you can add in additional details like your agent name, any notes that you want to share with the guest, any private notes that you want to keep for yourself for this specific booking. And then you can also upload the guest ID proof immediately or come back later and attach it before the check-in. So it keeps everything in one single place. Lastly, if you enable this notify guest option, the guest will be automatically notified for the same reservation via their email and WhatsApp. The message will include their stay details, payment details, and any notes that you have included for the guest. Once all the details are filled in, simply tap save and your offline booking is now created. Now, this booking will instantly appear in your unified calendar, so you do not have to track it separately. It also appear in your reservations tab alongside with your online bookings, so you can keep a track of everything in one single dashboard. Now, once the booking is created, that's where the real magic happens. The dates are automatically blocked across all of your connected OTAs through the channel manager, so you do not have to manually block them again. Now, if the guest wants to change their travel dates, or alter their booking, simply open the same reservations and click onto the edit option and change the details wherever required. And in cases of cancellation, you can directly cancel it from here. And lastly, if required, you can also generate an invoice for the same reservation directly from here. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create and manage offline reservation in Homeyhuts. By keeping all your bookings online and offline in one place, you stay organized, avoid missed reservation, and manage your property much more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Homeyhuts tutorial.